Hey there, travel enthusiast, and welcome back to Atypical Vagabond. Today we have a real treat for you as we explore one of Europe's most charming and hilly capitals, Lisbon, the city of seven hills. I'm your host, Carter, and I can't wait to take you on this incredible journey. So let's take off. Our adventure begins with a look at Lisbon's geography. This city is like no other, nestled among seven stunning hills that provide breathtaking views around every corner. Let's take it all in to one of my favorite viewpoints. Isn't this view in the background just spectacular? But that's not all. Lisbon's hills are dotted with narrow, winding streets, historic neighborhoods, and charming funiculars to help you explore them all. All right, folks, let's talk history. Lisbon has a captivating past that has shaped its unique character. Did you know it's one of the oldest cities in Western Europe? Lisbon has seen everything from the Phoenicians to the Romans, Moors, and the Age of Discovery. I'll discuss more of Lisbon's history in future videos. So if you are interested in learning more about the history, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out to create more videos. As we wrap up our adventure in Lisbon, the city of seven hills, I hope you fall in love with this incredible destination, just like I have. Lisbon has everything from breathtaking views to its rich history, delicious food, and hidden gems. So, thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any other adventure. And remember, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep loving every moment of it. See you on the next video.